Hi, I'm Tejas Yadav, intern at Lexis and Company. Today I'll be speaking about the new Model Tenancy Act of 2021 and its features. Uh, the act was introduced in June 2021 by the cabinet, approved the Model Tenancy Act for the circulation for all the states and union territories for adoption by the way of enacting new legislation or amending the existing rental laws. The objective of the research report is to lay down the opportunities and challenges of the rental housing market. Important features. The features of Tenancy Act are coming to the agreement clause. The tenancy agreement. The Model Act states that the rent at any premises, a written agreement must be signed between the landlord and tenant. The agreement must specify first the rent payable, second the time of rent for the tenancy, third the terms of the period of revision of rent, and fourth the security deposit to be paid in advance, and fifth the reasonable clauses for the entry of landlord into the premises, and sixth the responsibilities to maintain the premises by the tenant. The rent authorities must intimate by the agreement within 2 months from the date of the agreement. This will apply to all the premises used by the residential, commercial, and educational purposes only. Security deposit. The security deposit must not exceed first 2 months for the case of residential premises and second 6 months for the case of non-residential premises. The security deposit will be refunded by the landlord to the tenant at the time taking over the vacant possession of the premises and after making due deductions. The tenancy period specified. The tenancy period, the tenant may request the landlord for the renewal or extension of the tenancy period. The tenant will be liable to pay enhanced rent if first the tenancy period has been ended and not been renewed, or second the tenant fails to vacate the premises at the end of the tenancy. If the tenant fails to vacate the premises at the end of tenancy or on the termination of the tenancy by the order, he will be liable to pay first twice the monthly rent for the first 2 months, and even if he does not fails if he fails to pay the rent for the first 2 months, then the four times of the monthly rent subsequently will be paid by the tenant for the occupier for the occupancy of the premises. Next is eviction. To evict a tenant, the landlord must apply to the specific rent authority of that area. Seeking such eviction, the authority may make an order or for eviction on certain grounds. Those are first refusal to pay the agreement act, second failure to pay the rent for more than 2 months, third parting of possession or altering of the said possession for a part or a whole of the premises without the written consent of the landlord. The next, misuse of premises even after receiving the written notices to desist and from the misuse. Now, subletting. Under the Model Act, subletting is prohibited unless allowed through the supplementary agreement. The landlord and the tenant must jointly inform the rent authority about such tenancy within the period of 2 months from the date of execution of such agreement. Now, dispute education mechanism. In this act specifically, possesses or established particularly a three-tier quasi-judicial mechanism for education of the disputes, the which includes the rent authorities and rent courts will be appointed to the district collector with the approval of the state government. The state government may establish the rent tribunal in each districts after consulting with the jurisdictional high court. No civil court will be, no civil court will have the jurisdiction over the matters for the provisions under the Model Act. of 2021. The Act will introduce the rent authorities, rent court, and rent tribunals. I repeat, there are three mechanisms that this uh, act introduces. Are first, uh, the rent court, second, the rent authorities, and third, the rental tribunals. These regulatory institutions will reduce the burden of tenancy disputes from the civil courts and will help in speedy dispute resolutions. The next comes the role of property managers. This act also emphasizes greatly on the role of property managers. This act clearly defines the role of property managers and their duties and consequences they face in such cases for the violation of the act. The act will require property managers to furnish details such as the provide details such as name, PAN number, Aadhaar number, address, and contact details registered with the rent authorities. Any individual or legal identity, including the rental agent who acts on the behalf of landlord, manages the premises and represents him in dealings with the tenant, will be included here. This acts provide more opportunities for the property managers going forward, especially in the residential sectors. So these are the main features that makes the Model Tenancy Act of 2001 a really dependable and have a major improvements in relation with the speedy trials and dispute and easy resolution of the disputes in tenancy agreements. Thank you.